This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, 2010-2015. And if your Chevy Cruze says theft attempted, this is a general Morse thing that's mostly used in European vehicles, but Chevy Cruze does have this theft attempted message. It means that the car thinks that somebody tried to open your car without the authorized key, without the synchronized key fob. What does it use? It uses a range of sensors actually, and in a lot of cases this is just the dash cam that you have here, and it just falls somewhere on the floor or on the center console, and it makes this noise, it makes these vibrations, and the sensors feel it, and you will have theft attempted message when this happens. Or alternatively, it was a very strong wind at night, for example, and you have these issues with your car because it thinks that someone tried to push this car, to tow car, whatever. So it thinks that there was some unauthorized activity near your vehicle. And also what you may, if you see this message, what you may need to do before you drive, you may need to carefully check if all the door handles look okay, if there is no vandalism in your vehicle, if everything looks fine. Because if there is, you probably will want to call the police, and if there isn't, that's probably just a glitch and a dash camera that fell onto the floor. So whenever you see the theft attempt, inspect your car carefully before you drive, and then just hope it was a glitch. You don't need to do anything, just start driving and the message will disappear.